have met or seen. And their teacher for our own group, and they are just like our moms. Thank you.
I want to talk about my IApsdci. She is the best teacher, and I want to thank her for teaching me so well. And she is my favorite and the best teacher in the whole school. She is kind and humble to me. Thank you for everything from your book. She is a great teacher, like our mother, and like our teacher. Happy Teacher Day. We were always thankful for the inspiration and knowledge you have given us. Without our teachers, we cannot success in the life. We want to study a lot, then we be a big businessman.
Today I would like to show my dedication to all my teachers. Ma'am Hajra, Sir Basiq, Ma'am Laiba, etc. Without them I couldn't be successful. Happy teachers.
Thank you to Allah to give me such extraordinary teachers. May Allah bless them, give them a long and happy life, and give them a shower of blessings. Ameen. I am so blessed to have these kinds of teachers. For being kind and helpful, your lessons are really fun, and I have learned so much from you. Happy Teachers Day. I respect all teachers, but my favorite teacher is Ma'am Amrit. My favorite teacher name is Ma'am Shadira, Ma'am Laiba, and Ma'am Jabna. These teachers are my best teachers. They are the teachers that make us shine. The person that gives us knowledge and education, which help us in our future. Today, passion motivates me to do my best because of you. Thank you to us to learn, my dear teacher. My name is Muhammad. I am from class 5 batch. My all teachers are my favorite teachers. So I am dedicating these words to all teachers. Thank you so much for helping me and guiding me. You are the best teacher in the world. Happy Teacher Day, Ma'am. Thank you for being an amazing teacher. You care, guide, and inspire us every day. We are lucky to have you. We appreciate you and celebrate you today.
Thank you for shaping my future. My favorite teacher is Ma'am Zia. Thank you for helping my future to grow and learn. You are the best teacher.
Thank you for being an amazing teacher. We are lucky to have you. You care, guide, and inspire us every day. We appreciate you and celebrate you. For a special day, I'm expressing my heartfelt feeling to Ma'am Kinza. She is more than just a teacher. She expressed me all things. She just tells all things by his heart. Thank you. On this very special day, I'm thanking Ma'am Kinza. She's more like a parent to me. She always teaches me with a heart. She never ever scolded me. She always told me that never ever misbehave in class. So I took the opportunity, and now I had a chance to become a Shia. But my class teacher said that don't become like others. And Ma'am Kinza also teach me that do not misbehave and always respect other teachers. My favorite teacher is Bilal. He is the greatest teacher of all time because he teaches the importance of Islam. On this special day, I want to say a most special teacher that is my greatest teacher of all time. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day! Happy Teacher Day! Happy Teacher Day! Thank you, teachers, for always being there and showing us the right path.
Dear Sublads, thank you for such an amazing teacher and mentor.